Hey guys, Jacob here, and I've got some bad news. Well, wait, sorry. I just had ramen and my mouth is burning. Well, let's get on with the bad news. You know Dennis. Yeah, that Dennis. The Dennis you all know and love. The Dennis you would make friends with on Roblox. And about him. I have some bad news. I'm afraid that I think Dennis is replacing Sir Meows A lot. Like, Sir Meows A lot is like my favorite. Yeah, my favorite. And I think he's replacing him with his new so-called cat named Masha. And if you OG Sir Meows A Lot fans out there miss Sir Meows A Lot, then go back to one of those old videos where Denis used to record videos with Sir Meows A Lot. Also, I love Sir Meows A Lot. He's always like meow 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 meow. Only if I can make a Sir Meows A Lot. Meow meow. Sorry, I have to clear my throat because the ramen is burning in my throat. Meow 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 meow. Okay, bye. Also, I miss Sir Meows A Lot. I want to bring back Sir Meows A Lot. Can you guys make a petition to bring back Sir Meows A Lot?